Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Nismile Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner with 18,000 PA, High Power Suction, Mini Rechargeable Vacuum, Car Vacuum Cordless. Portable Lightweight Handheld Vacuum for Home Office Pet Hair USB Charging. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Cordless Car Vacuum. This handheld vacuum with a high-speed brushless motor delivers exceptional suction and cleaning capabilities to swiftly remove hair, crumbs, dust, sand, and grime. 18,000 PA High Power Suction. Choose between 10,000 PA, Eco Mode, and 18,000 PA, Maximum Mode, speed settings, allowing you to clean every area of your home, car, and office quickly and easily. Fast charging. With fast charging technology and a reliable lithium battery, the vacuum cleaner takes only 3 to 4 hours to charge fully and can work for 25 to 30 minutes. Washable HEPA filter. The hand vacuum is equipped with a 13-stage professional HEPA filter that can capture 99.97% of fine particles. 2 filters can be disassembled and cleaned, more durable than ordinary filters. 2-in-1 cleaning tool. Clean blind spots in every corner with the 2-in-1 cleaning attachment for hard-to-reach spots and the cleaning brush for cleaning hair and debris. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, press the bell, look for all and press that, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.